Welcome to our complete guide on how to pay Fairstone Best Buy online in 2025. Let's dive into the importance of online payment today. First, we need to access the Fairstone Best Buy website. Simply open your browser and type the URL into the address bar. If you already have an account, log in using your credentials. If not, let's quickly set one up. Now, choose your preferred payment option. You'll find several methods available for your convenience. Enter your payment details. Make sure to include your credit or debit card information securely. Before confirming your payment, review your order summary carefully to ensure everything is correct. Once your payment is successful, you will receive a confirmation. Keep an eye on your email for the details. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. We'll help you troubleshoot some common payment problems. For more assistance, visit our customer support page or check out the FAQs for quick answers. And that's it. You now know how to pay Fairstone Best Buy online. Thanks for watching.